Music, the art, the love of them colorful clothes. Never needed any size cause they know beauty exists with the person. No matter what they wore, torn for the moment, only for daily chores. Missed the good days of no rent or sales tax. Act the propaganda to communicate back. The gatherings, the town folks where everyone's the same. Hated to be discriminated back in the days. Music had a great influence in our lives. From being decided to make own vocal scales were in a rise. Shaman rocking the bells when the soul was diseased. At funerals, folks playing for the deceased. The soulful sound of 6 note keep lost spirits in tune. Is the one that sent us to seek our ancestors to. Wish you knew how to read the words only by sound. Only if we knew how deep our roots have been around. It don't matter how much you know. It don't matter how much you get paid. There's only one way to be proud and make the best of what's made. It don't matter how much you know. It don't matter how much you say. The actions speak for itself when you say most beautiful. Nowadays, fast food's usually on the plate. We lost the touch in cooking, coming home too late. Wish I had that time to sharpen up my knife so I can sharpen up my mind with the thought of life. The old is decaying, young are praying, but I burn the incense to soothe the souls to stay beside me till I grow roots of my own. Close ties with elders always is great, never home. Don't you see there's no place in society we leave. The culture, the people we are to believe. Self is an image around a mass diversity. Your verse begins as soon as you start to burst free. Stay beautiful and unique, keep them always intact. The way your chinky eyes make your smiles glow. In fact, the Hmong clothes we put on every New Year's shine. Get your shine on and give me Holland Hmong this time. It don't matter how much you know. It don't matter how much you get paid. There's only one way to be proud and make the best of what's made. It don't matter how much you know. It don't matter how much you say. The actions speak for itself when you say most beautiful. It don't matter how much you know. It don't matter how much you get paid. There's only one way to be proud and make the best of what's made. It don't matter how much you know. It don't matter how much you say. The actions speak for itself when you say more.